Right, okay, I'm just going to keep doing some of these divisions by a binomial, and I think I circled question 4 earlier. So I'm going to do question 4, well, a similar one, only because it's got negatives in it, and students sometimes get a little confused about what they are subtracting when they try to find the remainder. So let's just try one of these. I'll just write a slightly different one so you can do that later. Right, have a look at this. How about x squared minus 4x minus 21 divided by x plus 3? Okay, so remember the rules? All I'm going to do is divide the first term by the first term in a sense, so that x there, okay? So again to one side, what's x squared over x? And again, if you want to write that as x to a 1, you know, remember when you divide you subtract exponents. So that's x to the 1 is left, so x. And it doesn't really matter where you put it. I think I'll put it over here this time, over the x's. So x squared divided by x is x, right? Okay. Remember, multiply back. So the x times the x is x squared. And if you remember, those will vanish. The first two x, because when I subtract, they're going to go. Now, how about x times 3? Okay. So x times 3 is 3x. Okay, so remember you are subtracting. This is where students be careful and just watch your double negatives. I wish I'd have found one that was a double negative here, but I am subtracting. So negative 4x, take away positive 3x. So negative 4, take away 3. So think about it. I'm not adding this. It's not negative 4 plus 3x. I am taking that away. Negative 4, another negative 3 is negative 7x. Okay, so look at it. I'm not actually doing negative 4 plus 3. I'm doing negative 4. Remember, I'm subtracting. That's what you do when you find the remainders. You subtract. Negative 4 subtract to 3 is negative 7. Bring down this term. Okay. So we're kind of off again, right? So again, here, that negative 7x is now the new first term. Okay. So again, negative 7x divided by x, again, the first term. Okay, here, that x divided by the x, is going to give me, well, it'll cancel, it'll give me negative 7. So negative 7. And when I multiply back through, what's negative 7 times the x? It's negative 7x. Negative 7 times the positive 3 is negative 21. Now be aware of this. I mean, I'm just subtracting the same things, so there's going to be nothing left. But students something look at that and go, oh, negative 7x, negative 7x, negative 14x. No, you are subtracting. All right? If you think I'm subtracting this, you subtract a negative, remember that's a positive, so this is actually negative 7x, double negative 7x, so negative 7x, add 7x, gone, I lost my pen again, gone, right, no x's. Again with this, negative 21, you are subtracting negative 21, that means you're adding the 21, double negatives again, this is going to be 0, you've got nothing left, alright, so be aware of that, think about it, negative 21, subtract negative 21, because that's what you are doing. You are subtracting these things, alright? Alright, so you find the remainder. And that there is a plus, so negative 21 plus 21, gone. If I can find one like that, I'll do it. But anyway, there's the answer, okay? X minus 7 is the answer. And again, you know, if you factor that, or if you multiply the x minus 7 times the x plus 3, you'll get the x squared minus 4x minus 21. Okay? Just like if I do 5s into 40, I get 8, because 8 times 5 is 40. Okay, so x minus 7 times x plus 3 is x squared minus 4x minus 21. Okay, if it goes into exact. I'll do more.